pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sit.
Welcome to our US Cars Review channel. My name is Mike, and I'll be your guide to the world of the best cars. Polestar 2. The Polestar 2 takes great satisfaction in adapting in every manner to its driver. This electric car has many distinctive features and is pushing the limits of what potential customers would expect. In an effort to compete with Tesla, Polestar, a brand owned by Volvo and its parent company Geely, began building electric cars in 2017. The Polestar 2, a 5-door electric hatchback with a 292-mile range and lots of speed, was unveiled in February 2019. Additionally, the Polestar 3, a fully electric SUV, is anticipated to arrive in late 2022 or early 2023. It uses an Android-powered infotainment system, providing users with built-in Google services like Google Assistant, Google Maps, and the Google Play Store. It is built for performance and utility, and can reach 62 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. The brand promises a vehicle that remembers its driver by phone and changes their seat position appropriately and their infotainment arrangement accordingly. It's no doubt that personalization is at the heart of the business. To be able to see some more, hit that subscribe button right now and become part of our awesome family.